So welcome back to Prepping 101. In this video, I'm going to talk about sealing. How do you seal the food that you're prepping, and what's the best sealer to use? Well, I'm going to share with you the three that I have, and then I want you to decide which one works best for your kitchen. We go from a price range all the way down to like $39, $49, $80 and up to $500 and up. The choice is yours, depending upon how much prepping, sealing, and food prepping you do. Now, Kevin and I have been prepping food for over 19 months, and by doing it this way of sealing and canning, we were able to save thousands of dollars. In 2025, and of course, moving into 2026, we've already saved hundreds of dollars at the supermarket. The month of May, we only went to the supermarket 1 week out of 4. And we spent $45. It's true, and you can do the same thing by becoming a frugal shopper. Shop only loss leader sales, buy only sell items and nutritious food. Bag it, seal it, prep it, can it, and you can save thousands of dollars, and I'm going to show you how. So let's get into these sealers. This one here is called FEP, B-E-F-E-P-P, VEP. It's a handheld unit that does charge, and you can use it to seal bowls in your refrigerator for leftovers. You can seal them for containers for your freezer. You also can seal in bags. So you've got some options with this particular unit. Now this unit comes on a range between $40 and $80. You decide how much you want to spend. You can order the bags at any time, and they have a little suction cup built into them, which pulls the air out so you can seal them up. And also, you can seal up their containers. This unit is perfect for people who live by themselves, or there's only a couple of you in the house, and you're prepping on a monthly basis. Great for after dinner seals, food, but also for long-term storage. Now these bags are reusable. I've already got some shrimp sealed, so I'm gonna show you how to use it. So the bags can be washed, rinsed, and reused, okay? The unit comes with this handheld that you do charge first. It'll tell you to hold and press for 3 seconds to unlock it. And now that it's unlocked, you'll be able to use it. Once you've unlocked it, you then can use the suction mechanism to pull the air out. So on the baggies, you're gonna just make sure you have it clipped up and sealed completely. It does come with a little slide clip to go across the top, just to assure that you get everything closed up nicely. You're then gonna lay down your bag and put the vacuum sealer over the top of the hole, push your vacuum seal button, and it takes all the air out. So these are perfect for your freezer. Also for your refrigerator. If you've got leftover citrus, you don't want it to spoil or dry out, do the same thing. So for your refrigerator and for your freezer, this is a great little unit. Okay, let's close this one up, which means we're gonna get the air out. Isn't that wonderful? Then you can do these containers. It's got on the top here date, so you can do the month and the day of the month, so you know when you sealed this up. Put your items in there. I have an onion. You know how these smell when they're in the refrigerator. So you can seal them up, keep the smell out of your refrigerator, and keep the air out of the container so that things last longer. So place it on top, do the same thing, press your button. And now that it's running hard and fast like it did, it tells you it is sealed. To get the air out, you simply pull up on this little clip and the air will come out of the unit. So that's the little handheld unit, which works great for those who are doing prepping for only 1 or 2 people. and you had a minimal storage space in a freezer. Great little unit. This one here will cost you right around $79. I'll put the link down below in my video. So if you order it, you'll get a discount. All right, let's move on to the next one. The next one that I use all the time, which you've seen me use several times in my videos, is this one here called Potane. Now the Potane sealer is any regular sealer that you would use. Depending on which brand you buy, they're all pretty much the same. Now I did buy this one on Amazon and it runs right now $79. It's got dry, moist, delicate, and soft. Different programs you'll push depending on what it is you're sealing. That means less air gets sucked out so you don't get all the juices from whatever you're sealing up in the tray. So it has different sections to use. It's got vacuum seal, it's got seal only, and vacuum only. Okay, so let me show you how this one works. I order what's called WeBack. These are called WeBack bags, and I get them on Amazon as well. They come in the large rolls like this, and the smaller rolls like this. Now you do have to cut these yourself. I cut them to size. I already have some shrimp frozen, but I'm going to open it up, freeze one again, or seal one again to show you how simple it is. Okay, vacuum sealed that nicely, didn't it? So I always cut the bags to the size I want. Now I find WeBack is the best price of bags. I get it with 3 large, 2 small, and it cost me, I think, $17 for all these bags. And you can clearly seal 200 to 300 portions using those rolls. So I've cut this to the size I want. First thing you're gonna do is seal up one end of it. Down on the heat tray, close it up, and push seal only. Blue light will come on, which tells you that this unit is heating the bar, which is gonna seal this end of it. And once the light goes off, this end is now sealed. So let's get this shrimp sealed again. So you just put in what it is you're sealing. I put in shrimp for Kevin, 6 to 8 pieces per meal for him. And let's seal these up. And when you seal them up with vacuum, you'll set it on the tray. Make sure that the opening part of the bag is down in this groove right here, because that's where it needs to set to suck the air out, and then seal it back here on the heat bar, okay? So let's close it up. And now you're gonna hit vacuum seal, right? See how it takes that air out of there? The blue light comes on, which now tells me that it is heat sealing it. And when the lights go off, the sealer's done. That's simple. And that's how I seal using this unit, which is called Potane. P-O-T-A-N-E. Now I've had this unit about 1.5 years. It works pretty good. That's this unit. Now this one again is on sale right now, or priced at $79 on Amazon. There are different choices. This happened to be the one that I chose. You choose what you want. You do you, boo, all right? That's this unit. Then we come to the big one. Big unit is right here. It's called Vesta. This unit here, I believe, is $5.99. I'll also put a link in my video here, so you can click on the link, and this is orderable under my name link, and you'll get a 15% discount. So when you order this unit, it does come with bags the first time. And the bags are called Vesta, just like the machine. The box contains 3 different sizes. One end is already sealed for you. So all you have to worry about is sealing it and the other end, okay? This unit here, you can do dry seal also, which means you can dry goods, flour. I did seal this. I'm not gonna go through the explanation of how I prepped it and got, well, let's do it. I took my flour I bought, 30 pounds, put it in the freezer for 3 days to make sure anything in this flour, larvae, bug, is dead. Then I put it back on my shelf for 3 days, and then I put it in bags. I vacuum seal this with an oxidator in there, which grabs all the oxygen out inside, which means there's no moisture left, and I bag it. I also use this unit because you can do mason jars. Isn't that nice? Seal it, mason jars with this unit. Show you how it works. The unit itself allows you to seal food as well as marinate, and I'll explain that in a moment. I really like this unit. This is my go-to for most of my processing of food. It has a seal bar with 2 clips, and the seal bar, making sure that when you put it in here, that the 2 clips right here face the inside of the unit, because that's what's going to hold your bag in place as you vacuum seal. So let's open this up flour so you can see how it seals. I don't want to waste the bags, so I'm going to just reseal it, okay? So we've got it cut open. There we go. Now you're going to seal it. You're going to place one end of the bag under those clips. Right there. So it's going to sit under these clips. I've sealed too many things, so this thing is rocking. I need to hold this in place. There we go, because it's heavy. And the bag's a little short. So I just need to support the bag because I've made it a little too short by cutting it. Okay, let's do that. Perfect. So the only reason it's there is to help hold that. Then you close it up. Normally you wouldn't do that, but I've cut this a couple of times to show how to seal it so the bag's a little short for the weight of the flour. Then you're gonna close it up, push your start button, and let it go. Wait for it to beep 3 times. Open it up. And once again, we are sealed. I use this for dry goods, for all of my frozen vegetables and meats, soups, everything. It also has a marinade tray. I'm not going to get into too much detail with that because it will confuse you. Once you own one, you'll realize how wonderful it is to have a tray to marinate in. You also can seal mason jars. I've got rice, I've got powdered whole milk, I've got flour. How it works is it comes with also a top that fits on a large or small mouth jar. These are already sealed, so I'm not going to do it, but how it would work is you place the cord into the top of the cap that seals, into the machine in the back, place it on top, and then you would push your mason jar button on the front of the unit, push the start, and it sucks through here all the air out of the jar with the lid on, and then seals it. It's a fantastic little unit. Okay, that's how this one works. So there you have it, 3 different units to choose from when it comes to prepping your food at home, vacuum sealing to preserve it. This is your choices. Not these particular brand names, these are the brand names I own, but these are the 3 different type of apparatuses you can use. FYI, Vesta bags are a little costly. Now you can use the bags that I use for my regular sealer, the Potane. You can use the WeVac bags with this as well. It will work, okay? And these are more affordable than these bags. Again, I'm gonna put in my video, the 2 with an order link. So if you place an order through my video, you'll receive a 15% discount on the Vesta, and you'll get a 10% discount on Vepple, or the Vep, all right? I thank you for watching. Thanks for coming along. Don't forget to subscribe and watch my videos on how you can save hundreds, if not thousands of dollars using your frugal dollar, your frugal household. Learn to homestead in the city, be self-sustaining. Take care of yourself. Till next time, ciao. No apologies. You do you, boo.